Good morning everyone. My name is Arslan and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So today we'll be starting some examples related to algebra and how do we make a pattern using the concept of algebra and the given question or the events. So without any further delay, let's start. So I hope that you have made the notes of my previous video and that you have revised the concept thoroughly. Coming to the example without wasting any time, find the number of matchsticks required to make 20 triangles joined at corresponding vertex adjacent to each other consecutively. So what does that mean? That if it had written that, or let me start from the beginning. This is a triangle. Okay, first triangle. We have to make how many? We have to make 20 triangles. And the first and second triangle are joined to each other at the corresponding vertex. At the corresponding vertex adjacent to each other. If it had written that it is joined at the corresponding vertices, then it would have mean that it is joined at the two ends, but it is not written. It is using only the singular form of the point, that is vertex. Therefore it is joined only at the one side, and then it is joined in this fashion, which is represented in the figure itself. So one triangle requires how many matchsticks? 1, 2 and 3. So we will write one triangle requires 3 matchsticks. Next we come to second triangle, and this will require, let me write it down. Second matchstick will require 3 plus, and this will be 1, 2 and 3. So that this will be 3 plus 3, or you can write that 3 into 2. Three triangles require how many? 1, 2 and 3. So here also it will be 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 3 into 3. So looking at the three continuous parts of the pattern, we can see that one triangle is equal to 3 matchstick or 3 into 1. Two triangles are 3 plus 3, that is 3 into 2, and three triangles are 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 3 into 3. Therefore we can write that n triangles or nth triangle or 20th triangle or 100th triangle will be 3 into n. So this will be the formula. So in order to make the 20th triangle, we will just replace the n by 20, and we will have that 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 1, 0, and this will be the answer. 60 matchsticks are required. So I hope you understand that. In case you are not understanding this particular example, you just have to scroll the previous video and you will be able to understand how do we achieve such patterns, such formulas, and what is the use of n, and how are we able to solve for any type of number of 20th, 100th, 1000 or anyone. Coming to the next example. Okay, so the answer is correct. Note, one may use any letters. So now this is something which I have also told you in one of my previous chapters, but I will be telling you again, and that is the variable that is used in the question of algebra is that we can use x, we have used x, we have used x1, we have used x2, x3, x4, we have used x and y together, we have used L1, L2, L3 and so on. We have used t as the variable. So the thing that is to be understood is that one may use any letter, as M, L, P, Q, X, Y, Z, etc. to show a variable. Remember, a variable is a number which it does not have a fixed value. For example, the number 5 or number 100 or any other given number is not a variable. That is a constant. That is a constant because its value is defined and it will not change. They have fixed values. Similarly, the number of angles of a triangle has a fixed value. that is 3. It is not variable because a triangle can be made only with 3 edges, 3 vertices, 3 angles. The number of corners of quadrilateral is fixed, that is 4. So 4 edges, 4 vertices and 4 angles. It is not a variable. But n in the examples we have looked is a variable, because when we say that one triangle is formed in this much, two triangles are formed with this much matchstick, three triangles formed with this much matchstick, then we get to a formula of n triangle and write the formula of n triangle. After that, if I say that I have to find out the answer for 100 triangles which are placed together, joined together at corresponding vertices adjacent to each other, then you can just use the formula of nth triangle is equal to 3n. So that will be all. And this is the thing, but n in the examples we have looked is the variable. It takes on various values such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 and so on. So I hope you understand that. Coming to the next example, if we have any, let us see. Okay, the next is the exercise 11.1. So we will have our lecture complete for today over here only, and in the next video we'll be starting exercise 11.1. So what was my purpose to make you have two different examples on two separate days was that algebra is something which most people struggle with. So that is why I gave you a day for concept and one example, and another day to make you understand a easier example that you can solve by yourself to boost your morale. In exercise 11.1, we will come across various types of questions and we'll solve them together. So if you like our videos, you can subscribe or you can hit the like button. In case you have any suggestions or feedbacks or you want to support us, you can comment in the comment section or you can connect with us on any of our social media handles. So keep revising, keep making notes and keep practicing. Till the next time we meet, goodbye.